Now, when you create a website dito sa Upsell, may mga pre-built pages na tayong ginagawa. So, tingnan natin saan ang gagaling yun and how you can manage them. We have themes. If you click on themes and my save themes, ito yung automatic na nangyayari or nasisave sa ginawa mong website. Everybody shares the same theme. So, ang tanong, pareho kami ng itsura ng mga website. Lahat pa, paano yun? How do I stand out? Ang ikinaganda is, one, you can edit it yourself. You can change colors, which we will be showing you in another video. But right now, another option is you can choose from different themes available. Coming soon pa nga lang sila, but they're very, very accessible as soon as they are available for use. Now, if you go to navigation, eto naman yung navigation. Kita nyo yan, yung homepage, shop, about us. That's called the navigation. So, nasa primary menu yan sila. Eto yung mga pinapakita natin dito. You can check your own, you can create your own primary menu however many na gusto mo. Or you can edit and delete those. You can add. Depende. They're automatically created. Etong apat na to when you start building a website using Upsell, but you can add more or have less. Now, if you go to pages, yung mga menu naman na yun is connected to a certain page. Remember, we have, if we click our shop, andito yung page ng shop natin, about us, kung sino tayo, and our contact page. This is where you manage those pages. If you want to add more, just click in here and we will have a video in-depth tutorial kung best practices kung anong gagawin dyan. But you can always add however many pages para sa business mo, and those are connected through your navigations.